Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss the follow-ups for describe an outdoor activity that you did. So the first question is having outdoor activities important to people? So for me, yes. The answer is yes. I feel that engaging in outdoor activities is crucial, important for individuals as it builds physical and mental health and provides a connection with nature. Okay. Second question is, do people go outdoors more or less now than before? So for this, in the answer I've written, in my view, people are increasingly embracing outdoor pursuits. Embracing means they are following. Okay, outdoor pursuits, destinations, kind of like they are going out compared to previous times, as there is a huge desire to escape the urban confines and to live life fully. Okay, urban confines meaning that we are stuck. Confined means to be stuck in one place. The third question is, what can people do outdoors besides exercising? Apart from exercising, people can partake, mean they can take part in various outdoor activities such as soccer, cricket, gardening, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll is walking in nature. Okay. Fourth question is, when do people usually go outdoors to get close to nature? So the answer is, people typically seek the outdoors during weekends, holidays, or vacations with the aim to rejuvenate and escape the stresses of daily life. Okay. Fifth and the last question is, what can people do to get close to nature? I feel that people should engage in activities like camping, wildlife photography, or tree plantation to get up close and personal to nature. Okay, so this was the follow up for describe an outdoor activity that you did. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button